Good morning, good morning. Happy, what is today? Today is Thursday. Happy Thursday. Yeah, I'm on my route and I decided to wear my short wig today. Let's see. Let me show y'all. I decided to wear this little short wig. I actually really like this wig, but I like it when it's more spiked up at the top. It's actually really cute. When I first bought it, I really didn't like it, but it's kind of cute. Yeah. But one thing about this short wig, you gotta have your hair braided little. You can't have these big old chunky braids. And in my hair, it's kind of chunky in the back. But, yeah, I think I got a video on this wig, I believe. I'll link it at the top if I do. Or I'll just link the playlist at the top. But I like this wig more spiked up. Which is not, but I got my hat on. Put a little makeup on today, y'all. But, yeah. Now, I always look like I got a super big stomach with this coat. I got a gut, but it ain't that damn big. Shit. It's just, let's see. Gut and butt, butt and gut and butt. Anyway, good morning. I just wanted to open up the vlog, say happy Thursday, and say what's up to all my new subscribers. No, I would like to say welcome to all my new subscribers, and what's up to the people who've been following me from day one, the people who continue to come back and check out my videos. Thank you. For the people who's just dropping in, see a video, random video in the search thing, please subscribe. Also, watch the whole entire video. This is going to be all chopped up because I'm stumbling over the words because I haven't said this in a while. But don't forget to watch my entire video. It helps out my channel. When you thumbs up, leave comments, as well as subscribe. So yeah, what do I have to do today? I'm in search of some Bath and Body Works coupons, y'all. I need some Bath and Body Works coupons. And don't nobody want to come off on them. I need that. I just need like 3. That's all I need. I have 1, so I just really need 2 more. I'm not going all out, but they did put out that 15 off of 40, which is good. You know, most of the time with that coupon, you could get, I think 4. I think it's either 4 or 5. Either 4 or 5 candles plus your free item. So, So if I could get, a total, if I could have a total of 3 coupons. That will work. That'll work. That'll work. So that'll almost be like $25 per transaction. And that'll be right at what my gift card is. So yeah, I need some coupons, and don't nobody want to come off of them. A couple of chicks at my job got some coupons, but they ain't trying to come off. But I'm going to see. I'm going to keep on asking around. I mean, if I don't find any coupons, then I would just have to use the, like the email coupons. Usually it'd be like a 10 off of 30, which it ain't bad, but 10 off of 30 and no free, gift. Yeah, I just got some coupons yesterday in the mail. So we're gonna see. I gotta go and get my license plates today because I didn't even realize, okay, next week is Thanksgiving, which I don't don't even know if they're open like on the day after Thanksgiving. But you got to think, Monday, Tuesday, no, what is today? Thursday, Friday, most definitely ain't going on Saturday. No. So, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I basically have 4 days to get, 4 or 5 days to get my license plates. Now, I already paid the personal property taxes. I think today I'm going to go and do the admissions test. And I might just go ahead and get it. I got everything to do it. So the admission test is another $25. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do that. Because I really need to take care of this and get this on out the way. But it's time for me to go. It's time for me to roll. So
sorry, I didn't quite get it.
I'm not talking to you, Siri. I'm on my way back to work, y'all. I just feel good when I put makeup on. I really do. To me, it's just, I love makeup. It's just that I hardly ever have time to do makeup. But I really, really love wearing makeup. I really love it. I really, really do. Really, really do. Put a little highlight on. I touched up my makeup a little bit because I don't know, I don't want to look like I don't want to look boyish because of my short hair, my short wig today. So I really need to wash this wig. I don't think I've ever washed this wig, but I don't wear it that often. So yeah, I'm really enjoying my short hair. Just FYI, I actually really like short hair. Yes, I have long hair. I only grew my hair out because when me and Damon first met, I had really, really short hair. I might insert the picture of us. My hair was really, really, really short. Like back then they called it a texturizer. It's like a little short, little curly fro almost, real tiny. A TWA. I think that's what they call it. Yeah, my hair was super short, super curly. And I grew my hair out because Damon asked me to. I just think he don't like short hair. But I personally love short hair. You know, I've always had, even as a kid, my hair was long. But once I was old enough to cut my hair and do all these, you know, unique hairstyles, that's when I really started wearing like short hair, like medium length hair. Well, medium length, you know, black people, medium length. So yeah, so when I went to beauty school, I don't know if y'all noticed, and I probably have said it before on my channel. When I went to beauty school, that's when I really, well, no, not even before that, before I went to beauty school. But yeah, I really started taking care of my hair, and I really love the short styles. Yeah, I just like short hair. Me personally, I just prefer short hair. It's easy to take care of. It's super easy to curl. You know, long hair, yeah, long hair can be easy too. But when it comes to washing it, especially being natural, detangling, oh, I hate detangling my hair. But yeah, so I'm a huge fan of short wigs, short hairstyles, yeah. But don't get me twisted, don't get me wrong. Now, a super, super cute, a long wig, I'm for that too. I'm for that too. I'm seriously thinking about getting me some super long hair. Maybe, I don't know. I was gonna say 30 inches, but I don't think I'm gonna go that long. Cause right now, I think the longest hair I've ever had was maybe 24 inches. Or was it 22? Either 22 or 24, which is not long now. But that was back when 22 was the longest you could go. Or 24 was the longest you could go. about getting some super long hair. Thinking about it. I haven't made up my mind. I'm not really for making no wigs, to be real honest. So I don't know. Then yesterday, y'all, I went and got my car washed. Why is raining today? I paid $18 to get my car washed, and I probably should just did it myself. And now it's raining. And then on top of that, earlier when I came left work, I went to the car wash because you know most car washes have the let me put my head back on. Wow. Most car washes have like the rain day, you know. So like if you get your car washed if you get your car like me, I got my car washed yesterday around 10 o'clock 11 o'clock, somewhere around up in there. It hadn't been 24 hours, so I went back to the car wash thinking, okay, I could get my car washed again because, you know, the rain, look, the little rain guarantee thing. Please, they ain't gonna tell me, no, we don't have that. I'm like, huh? I could have sworn, and I'm gonna check next time I go back. I'm gonna check. I could have sworn it said a 24-hour rain check. I could have sworn it said that, but I'm not 100% sure. But I could have sworn I seen that. So I'm actually kind of pissed because it's raining, and now I got all these daggone water spots and mud splashes, and I'm like, wow, really? But it is what it is. So yeah, I'm headed on back. Still carrying the backpack, the Longchamp backpack. I really been rocking the mess of this purse. I ain't even gonna lie, y'all. Even though, like I said, I'm still trying to get used to carrying a backpack, but I really like this purse. Really like it. I just ordered a purse organizer for my other Longchamp, for the tote that I have, because that's the only thing I don't like about that tote is the fact that everything, you just throw everything in it. This is basically the same way, but what I like about it is the stuff, it just kind of stay a little bit more organized in this versus the tote. It just seemed like in that tote everything just kind of is thrown around. So I bought a soft purse organizer, not like my what is it called? Smorga. I think that's the name of it. The Smorga insert. The Smorga inserts is what I use for my Louis Vuitton bags, but for the Longchamp, I like the fact that it doesn't look boxy, or it doesn't keep its shape.